Let's look at some more environment-related PYQs specific to the pollution topic. First question is about harmful algae. It is caused by A. Nutrients from estuaries, runoff during monsoons, and upwelling in seas. Upwelling is again related to nutrients, and often runoffs also do contain nutrients. Nutrients is what the algae needs. All three definitely are related to harmful algal blooms. Therefore, we go for an all. Next is a specific question about drinking water pollutants in India. They have given us elements or name of pollutants. We will follow the elimination technique here and look at the element that is not a major pollutant. Sorbitol, the second option, is a very famous food additive. Please remove it and you will definitely look at the other options. They do look like pollutants. Read again. Arsenic, very famous pollutant. Fluoride, we again read about it in newspapers related to water pollution. Formaldehyde is often read in the context of lethality, and it being considered a water pollutant is a little unsure. So keep that on hold. Uranium, again, uranium water pollution cases in Punjab, Rajasthan are quite famous. So formaldehyde, quite a lethal element, and sorbitol being a food additive are not water pollutants. The other three are arsenic in West Bengal, fluoride in Telangana, Rajasthan, uranium in Punjab groundwaters are region-specific water pollutants. Next, look at the e-waste components. Again, a specific question with several names of elements. Look at beryllium. Yes, we often hear it as an e-waste. Cadmium, chromium, and mercury, again, lead, definitely we've heard that as e-waste. But if you can think a little bit extra on the fourth option, which is heptachlor. Often heptachlor is associated with news related to pesticides. It should ring a bell and you should eliminate heptachlor. Similarly, plutonium is a nuclear-related atomic element, so remove plutonium as well, and then you can safely arrive at the answers. Same technique, you have to look at what cannot be in the list. Next, let's look at the biological oxygen demand. Is the criteria for what? Oxygen in the blood? No. Forest ecosystems? No. High altitude oxygen? Again a no. BOD, COD are very famous term given in your NCRTs, all linked to pollution in the aquatic ecosystems. Biological oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand related to water pollution. See you again with more on Yogi.